Hello everyone, welcome back. Blackberry Lavender Vanilla. That is what we are bottling today. I had to rack it before I moved, and I did not film that initial racking. It's fine. There's like no sediment at the bottom, so it's pretty much just ready to be bottled. I started this July 21st. It's been 4 months. Today is the 30th of November. It's been 4 months. This sat on a vanilla bean for a little bit over 2, but it's ready. It's ready to go, baby. Let's rack it. I mean, bottle it. Let's bottle it. I got my bottles. I already sanitized them. Let me just dump out the extra liquid. And I will tell you, I did sneak a little taste before, and it is quite lavendery. Oh my God, I could smell it. It's like very perfumey. I'll be sure to sneak another taste in my homebrew Ohio glass. Feels weird, but like nice to not be sitting down at that very crowded little table of mine. I don't know if this is gonna be, oh God, these bottles are probably way too close together. Let's move some things, shall we? Don't want to knock all this over. Yeah, actually it's still like crystal clear at the bottom, so I'm just gonna drop this in. I think this will be the first time you can actually see a bottling on my channel. Pretty crazy, I know. Go faster. Okay, I might need something to like raise it up even more to make this go just a little bit faster. Just a little. Whoop, there we go. All right. And I have quite enough to pour my glass here. Get in my glass. Get in, I said. Golly. Set all that in my handy dandy sink. So nice being in a kitchen instead of a basement to do this. So what did I get? Obviously I had under a gallon. What is the ABV in this? Wow, okay, almost 15%. 14.7. I put in a half an ounce of lavender flowers, and I think if I remember correctly, I just dumped them in. This is so long ago now, I don't remember exactly what I did. That was in the beginning of September. But I'm pretty sure I just like dumped them in and let it hang out for like 2 weeks. I have a whistly nose. Oh, the allergies. My allergies are killing me right now. My nose is just like a constant struggle. So on the nose, you can definitely smell lavender, of course. I mean, it's there. And you can get blackberry. I mean, the things that are supposed to be there are there. The vanilla bean, right now it's not very prominent. I mean, vanilla usually sits kind of at the end, is when you pull it. The tartness from the blackberries is really nice. Actually, I don't think the lavender's too overpowering. I feel like the blackberry has come forward more now compared to when I racked it. Like initially, it is pleasant. I mean, the lavender and the blackberry just kind of mingle and hang out together in the front. For some people, it might be too lavendery. I definitely thought it was, but now that I'm trying it again, it's blended better. It's just amazing what time can do. So never feel terribly distraught about a mead if, you know, when you try it like 3 months in and you're like, oh, this is too powerful, or this isn't the, you know, it's got a weird flavor or whatever. Especially if it comes to like something tasting overpowering, because I almost guarantee you time will amend that and balance things out, unless it's something like, I don't know, if you over oak or something like that. Things usually even themselves out. And that's definitely what's happening with this mead. But for some people, a half ounce of lavender might be too much. The lavender does kind of give like a soapiness though. Not gonna lie. And because it is a higher ABV on the edge of 15%, the alcohol burn isn't really doing this any favors right now. Right now it's okay. This is an okay mead. I think chilling out on the lavender a little bit and even bumping up the blackberry. Like I haven't made a straight blackberry mead, but I feel like I may not have added enough fruit to this. Yeah, oh wow. I only added 2 pounds, 10 ounces of blackberries in secondary, which honestly, when you look online at what other people are doing, I mean, a lot of the times that's how much fruit people will put in. So you see these recipes and you're like, okay, sounds good. Like that's all I need, okay. But then, you know, as you get more experience as a mead maker and then you taste it and you're like, wow, wish I doubled that. I wish I added 4 pounds of fruit to this. I think if I added more blackberry, it would have balanced out the lavender better. And I mean, the vanilla bean, it's weird. It's like kind of just lost. I added a whole vanilla bean. I don't know, it sat for beyond the extraction phase. I'm not like terribly excited by it. We'll see how I feel when I crack one of these open 3 months from now. So that's kind of when I like to, 2 to 3 months. 3 months I feel like is the best time to start opening bottles. I think 2 months is a little bit early for a lot of meads. Except my cranberry sauce mead. That one's like, I'm drinking it now. I think this is the earliest one I've ever had. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. Let me know if you have worked with lavender before. And I'm sure many of you have worked with blackberries. Let me know how many pounds of blackberries you like to use in your meads. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 8. I can count. I have 8 meads. I had to stare at it. I grabbed 9 bottles just in case. That's it. That's all she wrote. So I'm gonna cork these. I have a stupid hand corker. I'll get a floor corker someday, not anytime soon. So, and I don't really want you to watch me struggle putting them in. Oh. All right, thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye.